within the city of Salina, you're allowed to discharge those fireworks on the 3rd and the 4th of July only. Now, the fireworks stands are open from June 27th through July 4th, but that does not mean that because you bought them, you can fire them off that day. It is only the 3rd and the 4th from 8 o'clock in the morning until 11 o'clock at night. So fireworks can only be discharged on private property. Public property, not allowed. Bottle rockets, they're illegal in Kansas. We don't sell them here. Don't use them. So you want to make sure that you're reading your fireworks, understand how they work, use them as directed. That way, when you know how ahead of time how that firework is supposed to work, you know how to properly set it up and make sure that it's not shooting off somewhere where it shouldn't be. Use a hard, level, stable, flat surface. If you are going to shoot them off, in grass or gravel or something like that, find something hard, non-flammable, make sure that it's level. That way, fireworks are going to shoot off the way that they're designed or operate how they're designed. You don't ever want to hold fireworks in your hand. That is very, very important. I've seen some very significant injuries from people holding fireworks in their hands. Water is the big thing. Always have a bucket of water for your smaller fireworks. After they're spent, put them in the bucket, make sure they're soaked down. For the larger fireworks that can't go in a bucket, you want to have that hose handy so that you can soak all that down really, really well. It's best to do it as you go. Don't wait till the end. That way you're not going to have a fire in a pile next to your driveway.